Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you the 5 simple ways to start talking with your crush. Even in today's world, when the internet has made life a lot easy for everyone, still it is hard to begin a conversation with your crush. Whether it is saying hi to their face or on a social media handle, it requires courage which not a lot of person have. That is why many struggles to start talking with their crush. So today we decide to list a few simple ways you can use to strike a conversation with the person you like. Let's begin. Number 1. Ask for help. This is one of the easiest and useful ways to begin a conversation with anyone. Imagine you have a crush on girl in college. You might seem desperate if you ask them for a coffee, but you wouldn't have much problem if you ask them for notes or help in assignment. The only thing you need is to sound genuine. You can't be a topper and still ask for notes. Try to find out what your crush is expert in and then find a situation where you need their help. This will surely start a conversation between you and your crush. From there, you can slowly and steadily take it to the next level by becoming friends and then more. Number 2. Talk with their friends. We feel more awkward while starting a conversation with our crush than a stranger. Hence, it is easy to befriend your crush friends. This will be a lot easy than talking to your crush directly. Soon, your new friends will ask you to hang with them, and when they do, you will be introduced to your crush. Then you will have a genuine reason to talk to your crush. This may seem easy, but there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Don't mention your crush in front of your new friends, as they can suspect you are using them to get to your crush. Don't push your friends to hang out together. Let the friendship build organically, because later on, this friend might help you convince your crush. Number 3. Smile while walking past them. People don't understand that smile is a really nice way to start a conversation. Imagine you see someone on the train every day to office. They smile at you every morning. Sooner or later, when they say hello, you won't feel uncomfortable to reply back, because when you smile daily, you build that connection with them. So if you see your crush walking down the hall, a mere smile can easily act as an icebreaker. But remember, don't try to act weird and overcompensate your smile. Just a small gesture is enough, and if your crush doesn't respond back, stop smiling for your own self respect. Number 4. Use your friends. Many great love stories began with the help of friends. We already mentioned that it is tough for you to begin a conversation with your crush than a stranger. This places your friends in a comfortable position to befriend your crush and then introduce you to them, or act as your messenger for them. Either way, their task is to help both of you connect. You just need a small and cute way of doing so. They can also give a gift to your crush on their behalf or deliver a letter if you are old fashioned. Number 5. Social media. This is one of the easiest ways, as you don't need the courage to face them. Just type it on their device, but it can easily backfire, as it is also quite easy for your crush to ignore you on social media. Then do it face to face. Here is a strategy you can use. First, find a common friend between you two. Then find a post for this common friend that is being followed by your crush. Type something funny and not pointing towards the crush but your friend. This will spark a conversation between you three. This gives you an opportunity to send your crush friend request. After they accept the request, remember not to message them instantly, but for a reason, and that reason be your common friend, like arranging a party for the friend or doing a prank on them. From there, you can begin interacting with one another. So here are a few ways that you can use to start talking with your crush. You can use any of them or a mixture of them which suits your situation. The key is confidence and appearing cute in front of your crush. Be yourself, Otherwise, the bubble will break up after some time. Goodbye.